Hello everyone, and welcome back to another trading session. Here I want to go with the buyers here because I am expecting a movement to the upside, but I want to enter at the safest possible area, which in this case is going to be down here on this round number and this buyer's entry. So that's why I'm just waiting here, and I'm not going to rush into the trade. Right, so let me see, it's not coming down. We also have another common point of rejection here, so I want to add one trade here because I'm expecting a red candle here. Just in case we lose this trade, we're going to take the next trade. If this is going to be a solid candle, it means it's trying to start the momentum I was talking about. So you see that we also have higher high here, so that's a good sign for buyers to enter. Let's see what this trade is going to be. Oh yeah, this is what I was looking for. I will go double trade with buyers here, and then all right, I'll go double trade with buyers because I'm expecting a push to the upside, at least to this area. And also we have this spinning candle, and this is a long wick market, so if you look at the lower time frame, it's gonna look like this. The price has been is gonna switch between these upper line and lower line of this created range. So if I go to the lower time frame for you, you will be able to see that. See, yeah, the price is in a small range in the lower time frame. It's trying to switch between these two levels, and after this breakout, probably it's going to come back to the range again. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and this was my first trade, so I'm not going to take any more here because we can have another red candle as a next candle, or we can break to the upside. Okay, so it's 50-50. I'm not going to take here. Oh, we have a beautiful doji here. I want this candle to close down here. We have a demand area as well, so if I take this trade, it's going to be a doji break. Previously you see that this area was full of buyers. They were just keep rejecting the price to the upside, and then all of a sudden we broke that. All these buyers has been triggered, and then we have this candle. So that's why we have this buyers candle here. So again, we're gonna be able to have the buyers here. So I really wanted this candle to close like this so we could take a trade here. Other than that, we have this ABC to the downside. So for the selling, here we have this round number as well. So that's one reason. Another reason, ABC break to the downside after this candle closing up here would be another reason to take the next trade as a sell trade. And yeah, it just created this doji here. You see that the market has been moving in this range. Okay, it's trying to come down somehow, but I will not risk it here. I will just wait for the doji break because I really want to take this doji break. And about the mentorship, some people still text me and asking about details. I have a video just like explain the mentorship, but for now it's just closed because I already have enough students. If you want to join the mentorship, you can just wait for the next batch, and yeah, that's it. And the whole process, how I teach, how I like the assignments I give the students, or you know, the mentorship is not like the other courses you have taken so far. Let me just take this trade. I really want you to work hard. If you are trying to, if you are in my mentorship, you have to work hard, okay? And I want results from you, so I will do my best normally for the students, and I give them tasks. I give them like you know, recap videos, like answering their questions. It's not gonna be just watching a couple of videos and that's it. No, it's not gonna make you a profitable trader. Profitable trader becomes with working and like detecting their mistakes and fix them, and this way they're gonna be profitable and they're gonna be able to make consistent profits. So yeah, that's how it works for me, and I believe this is the only way to being profitable in binary. We already have some students doing very good. I mean, that's crazy. I will share the result of the students when the mentorship is done, okay? So yeah, if you're willing to join, you can just wait for the next batch. Okay, so this was another trade based on the break of 2 dojis and the strong prior buyer's rejection. Okay, which this candle came to this buyer's territory. You see that? And also we could enter with marginal safety down here on this round number, just in case we have another inverted hammer. So if we had this hammer here, would we go with the sellers or buyers? Of course we would go with the buyers, because the hammer closing on a buyer's entry is a reversal sign, because it'll have a lot of buyers on this rejection, especially if it has spent a lot of time up there and they rejected the last seconds. That's why. But in this spinning candle also have the spinning candle is not a sign for as a reversal. It's not also closing on this round number. So let's just change. I'm gonna add a couple of hair. Okay, I want to take a very high risk trade here. 25. If it gives me the entry, please, come on. Okay, I want to take this 25 here, and I'm just shooting my shot. It's very terrible trade to take, and that's why I go with 25. I just want to see what's going to happen after this. And let me just check the back to see what's going on. Oh my god, we don't have, like, we have nothing back there. How unlucky. Like, look at that. We have nothing. Then this trade is terrible trade. Sometimes I take these kind of trades just for fun. And the reason behind this would be, and very nice, buyers being exhausted, plus this gap down as a favor of buyers. But we're not closing on a buyer's entry. That's what made me a little nervous about this trade, but that was a good trade because that's a winning trade. We love winning trades, right? So this candle is the key for me, and this gap down here. Let me see if we can find the dynamic buyer's entry. There we go. See that? Let's go to the, this one has this gap up, so I'm not gonna go with the buyers on this one. Why is this? Oh, it's on 2 minutes. Wow. Let's go. Yeah, this is why there was a comment, there was a guy, he was like, oh, in this OTC market, there's a lot of long wicks. It's very dangerous for beginners. You shouldn't, like, he meant that I shouldn't record videos on OTC, and he said that's dangerous. But look at this. Is this OTC? USDCNH. Is this OTC? It's not OTC, but look at the candles. So if you believe that the main market, like, look at that, main market is better than OTC in terms of binary trading and 1 minute, my style of trading, you can just go watch the video about OTC and main market. I basically compared them, and I told every single detail about OTC versus main market. You can watch the video and it's going to help you a lot. But look at this. This is not even an OTC. And also, if you look here, it's not even letting you to use 1 minute to trade. So these are my main reasons to don't trade on main market. OTC, I love OTC. Look how beautiful the candles are. Even in long wick market, we know how to trade, right? So we are flexible enough to trade on OTC and main market both. Let me see, we have an overlapping level here, but we are in uptrend. It's very dangerous to go against a trend, but this is not a very momentum type of trend. I might be able to take a trade on that one. So beside that, OTC provides you 92%. Like, come on now. I'm not saying don't trade on main market. This is just my personal preference, because I don't like main market. They just keep changing the trade time. They messing with me, like, my mindset when I'm trading main market. That's why I don't like the main market. But if it works for you, you can just try it. Look at this. This is a long wick market, but the long wick market also has its own way of trading. All right, we have we have this trend right here, which is broken to the downside, which is a very strong trend though. You see that we have the same thing previous time as well. Yeah, the trend broke, and now we have the same broke, but this time taking this as a buy has higher chance than this one. Maybe this one is because of this buyer's area, but here we also have another buyer's. Let me just take this with 25 again if it comes down. Come on. Okay, I go with 25 right here. Let me see if that's 1 minute. Yes, that's 1 minute. That's basically the same scenario with the previous 25 trade. They both, these both are risky, but yeah, let's just see. So let's go back to 100. You see, when you're not sure about the trade or the trade is not good enough, you can just lower the risk and it's going to be fixed on your next trade. I mean, next winning trade with the regular amount. Okay, we got this doji trade here. Let me see. Let me see if there's any other. Oh, we have this gap right here. All right, this doji right here. Let's see if we're gonna take a trade here. For example, taking this doji trade is not gonna be only based on doji. We should combine things. For example, if you want to take a sell here, you can combine this with this ABC break to the downside. I mean, if this is ABC, breaking that will trigger the seller, so you can combine that. If you're gonna take a buy trade, you can combine this with this buyer's interval. And first, oh yes, let's go. I go even double trade here because I'm sure. Okay, let's go. Let me see if we can add this up. No, we cannot add that up, but that would be sick if I could add the trend line as well. But look at that. This is a doji break starting from this buyer's entry with this gap down in the buyer's favor. I mean, compare these two trades. Compare this trade with the previous trade. And the previous trade, it was not a short trade. That's why I lowered the risk. On this one, it's a short trade. I doubled the risk, you know? This is the dynamic money management. And this is one of the main part of my mentorship. I mean, I kept it for the last part of the mentorship for the students. And I'm going to teach them the different type of money management, because the money management is very crucial. So that's it about today's trading session. If you enjoyed, drop a like for me and let me know if you like these kind of non-stop talking videos. Maybe I should just stop talking sometimes, and let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.